welcome back to my garden. Today I want to do a follow-up video to my growing lettuce in a container. So keep watching. Here, as you can see, this has grown really big. There's a lot of nice leaves in there. Those are oak leaf lettuce. You can tell because of the shape. You see how big that has gotten? All I did is just make sure it stayed watered properly, and that's it. See, it's getting pretty much as big as what I have in the garden. It's mostly smaller leaves though. Those are great for salad. And what you can do is just pick a few leaves here and there you go. You have a nice salad bowl, and there you go. So anyway, overall I'm very happy with how much that thing has grew. Even though there was a lot of heat during that time, I'm surprised it grew that well without bolting. And yeah, overall, it's a very good success there. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more gardening videos. Ciao, guys!